In the name of God. In this week, we will discuss the elements of manuscript illumination, such as Paisley Design, petal, decorating the stem or plain line, and foliate design. As we discussed in the first week, manuscript illumination is considered one of the Islamic arts, which is mostly done based on circles. Circle in representational art sometimes refers to sun, sometimes refers to tawaf, which means walking in circles around Kaaba, and sometimes it refers to mihrab masjid. The elements of manuscript illumination that we discuss in this week are based on circles. So, be with us this week as we discuss the 4 elements of manuscript illumination. First, we draw 3 circles to create a Paisley design. The circles can be in different sizes. The size of circles depends on the size of your Paisley design. Now, in order to show an example, we draw 3 circles. After drawing the circles, we divide the first circle into 2 halves by a line, and we put a period in the center of the line. Then we draw 1 semicircle from the bottom and 1 semicircle from the above of the line. Each side of the line, whether the top or the bottom, can be used to draw a Paisley design. In the second part, in which the center of the circle is identified, we do the first step, which is dividing the circle into 2 halves, and then we do the second step, which is drawing 2 semicircles to draw a Paisley design. That is, if we continue this part, it should create a circle. The same with the semicircle. If we continue it, it becomes a circle. The whole part is also a circle. And as we discussed earlier, all the elements of manuscript illumination are based on circles. If it doesn't follow this rule, it doesn't look nice. The elements we draw inside the Paisley design are also based on circles. That is, if we continue this line, it eventually becomes a circle. If we continue this line, it will also become a circle. It will also become a circle. The same with these 2 lines. All the lines we draw can become circles if we continue them. The decoration inside the Paisley design could be increased as much as we want. If we continue this part, it becomes a circle. The same with this part. All the decorative elements that we have there can become circles if we continue them. If we draw a bigger Paisley design, even the size of this table, all the elements will be created based on circles. To review, we said that in the first step, we divide the circle into two halves. We draw one semicircle at the bottom and one semicircle at the top. In the second step, we decorate it. In the third step, we make sure that all the decorations we added to the Paisley design are based on circles.